Okay, hello everyone. My name is Ty Cunningham, and today I'm going to be talking to you about both the movements of the shoulder complex and the movements of the wrist. So today for my lesson, I'm going to start with some of the movements of the wrist. And for the first movement of the wrist today, we have the radial deviation, which is the movement of the wrist towards the thumb. So you can demonstrate this by holding your arm out like this, and you can either have your hand flat as I have it right now, or you can clench your fist like this, and you're going to go in towards the thumb. So you're going to take your hand kind of flat and just go like that, or you can do it like this. It probably is better for me to do it this way, and you go in towards the thumb like that, and then you have your ulnar deviation, which is movement of the wrist away from the thumb. So it'd be like that, and you go down. So this would be your ulnar deviation, and this would be your radial deviation. And now we're going to talk about some of the movements of the shoulder complex. First, I want to start with the internal rotation of the shoulder complex, and that is the rotation of the shoulder towards the midline along the vertical axis of the body. So for this movement, you're going to take your arm with your elbow as tightly tucked close to your body like this, and you're going to go in kind of like this, and then you're going to go back out like this. So the internal rotation is like this, and now you're going to go to your external rotation, which is basically the opposite. You're going to have your arm tucked close to your side like this, but instead of going in like this, you're going to go outwards like this. So once again, this is, make sure your elbow's tucked as tight as it can be. This is your internal rotation, and this is your external rotation. Next is the horizontal adduction, which is the movement of the humerus towards the inside of the chest. So you're going to take your arm like this, and you're going to bring it across your chest like this. Like, you're going to start from this position, and you're going to bring it across the chest like this. This is your adduction. And now your horizontal abduction, you're going to take your arm, basically the opposite, and you're going to hold it like this, but you're going to go out like this. This is your abduction. And lastly, we have our upward rotation of the shoulder complex and our downward rotation of the shoulder complex. So this is basically, one way I like to demonstrate this is like forwards and backwards arm rotations. So basically, like, you're going to hold your arm out just slightly out of your body, and you're going to go, for upward rotation, you're going to do backwards arm circles like this, where it moves your shoulder in the upward position. So this is your upward rotation, and then your downward is going to be forward arm circles. So this motion right here. So once again, class, we have the upward rotation of the shoulder complex, like so, and the downward rotation of the shoulder complex, like so. I hope this video was helpful in teaching you some of these more complex terms and movements of the body system.